Sequence. A sequence is a collection of numbers arranged in a definite order according to some definite rule. Each number in the sequence is called a term of the sequence. The number in the first position is called the first term and is denoted by T1. The number in the second position is called the second term and it is denoted by T2. The number in the third position is called the third term and is denoted by T3. In general, the number in the nth position is called the nth term and is denoted by Tn. A sequence is usually denoted like this and read as sequence Tn. Let's look at the types of sequences. If the number of terms in a sequence is finite, then it is called a finite sequence. Otherwise, it is called infinite sequence. These are the examples of finite and infinite sequence. Finite sequences 5, 10, 15 up to 100. Infinite sequence 4, 8, 16, 32 and so on. Let us look at the main distinctions between sequence and sets. The elements of a sequence are in the specific order, so they cannot be rearranged. Elements in a set are at random, so they can be arranged. The terms of a sequence cannot be rearranged. Elements of a set can be rearranged. The same value can appear many times in a sequence. Any value can appear only once in a set. Let us look at the examples. Example 1. Find first 4 terms of the sequence whose nth term is 3n plus 1. Solution. Nth term Tn is equal to 3n plus 1. First term for n is equal to 1. T1 is equal to 3 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. Second term for n is equal to 2. T2 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. Third term for n is equal to 3. T3 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 1 is equal to 10. Fourth term for n is equal to 4. T4 is equal to 3 into 4 plus 1 is equal to 13. Thus, first 4 terms of sequence are 4, 7, 10, 13. Example 2. Find first 3 terms of the sequence whose nth term is 1 upon n square plus 1. Solution. Nth term Tn is equal to 1 upon n square plus 1. Put n is equal to 1. T1 is equal to 1 upon 1 square plus 1 is equal to 2. Put n is equal to 2. T2 is equal to 1 upon 2 square plus 1 is equal to 5 upon 4. Put n is equal to 3. T3 is equal to 1 upon 3 square plus 1 is equal to 10 upon 9. Thus, the first 3 terms of the sequence are 2, 5 upon 4, 10 upon 9. Example 3. If Sn is equal to n upon n plus 1 for a sequence Tn, then find first 3 terms of Tn. Solution. Sn is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus up to Tn. S1 is equal to T1. S2 is equal to T1 plus T2. S3 is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3. Sn is equal to n upon n plus 1. S1 is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2. S2 is equal to 2 upon 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 upon 3. S3 is equal to 3 upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 3 upon 4. T2 is equal to S2 minus S1, that is 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 6. T3 is equal to S3 minus S2, that is 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 12. Thus, first three terms of squares are 1 upon 2, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 12. Let us solve sums from exercise 1.1. Question 1. For each sequence, find the next four terms. Number 1, 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, and so on. Given T1 is equal to 1, T2 is equal to 2, T3 is equal to 4, T4 is equal to 7, T5 is equal to 11. To find T6, T7, T8 and T9. Solution. T2 is equal to T1 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. T3 is equal to T2 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. T4 is equal to T3 plus 3 is equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. T5 is equal to T4 plus 4 is equal to 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. T6 is equal to T5 plus 5 is equal to 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. T7 is equal to T6 plus 6 is equal to 16 plus 6 is equal to 22. T8 is equal to T7 plus 7 is equal to 22 plus 7 is equal to 29. T9 is equal to T8 plus 8 is equal to 29 plus 8 is equal to 37. Here, each term is added by increasing sequence of natural numbers. The next four terms are 16, 22, 29, 37. Number 2. 3, 9, 27, 81 and so on. Given T1 is equal to 3, T2 is equal to 9, T3 is equal to 27, T4 is equal to 81. To find T5, T6, T7 and T8. Solution. T2 is equal to T1 into 3 is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. T3 is equal to T2 into 3 is equal to 9 into 3 is equal to 27. T4 is equal to T3 into 3 is equal to 27 into 3 is equal to 81. T5 is equal to T4 into 3 is equal to 81 into 3 is equal to 243. T6 is equal to T5 into 3 is equal to 243 into 3 is equal to 729. T7 is equal to T6 into 3 is equal to 729 into 3 is equal to 2187. T8 is equal to T7 into 3 is equal to 2187 into 3 is equal to 6561. Here, each term is multiplied by 3 to get consecutive number. The next four terms are 243, 729, 2187 and 6561. Number 3. 2, 5, 8, 11 and so on. Given T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 5, T3 is equal to 8, T4 is equal to 11. To find T5, T6, T7 and T8. Solution. T2 is equal to T1 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. T3 is equal to T2 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. T4 is equal to T3 plus 3 is equal to 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. T5 is equal to T4 plus 3 is equal to 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. T6 is equal to T5 plus 3 is equal to 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. T7 is equal to T6 plus 3 is equal to 17 plus 3 is equal to 20. T8 is equal to T7 plus 3 is equal to 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. Here, each term is added 3 to get consecutive numbers. The next four numbers are 14, 17, 20 and 23. Number 4. Minus 25, minus 23, minus 21, minus 19 and so on. Given T1 is equal to minus 25, T2 is equal to minus 23, T3 is equal to minus 21, T4 is equal to minus 19. To find T5, T6, T7 and T8. Solution. We take difference of two consecutive numbers. T2 minus T1 is equal to minus 23 plus 25 is equal to 2. T3 minus T2 is equal to minus 21 plus 23 is equal to 2. T4 minus T3 is equal to minus 19 plus 21 is equal to 2. T5 minus T4 is equal to T5 plus 19 is equal to 2. Therefore, T5 is equal to minus 17. T6 minus T5 is equal to T6 plus 17 is equal to 2. Therefore, T6 is equal to minus 15. T7 minus T6 is equal to T7 plus 15 is equal to 2. Therefore, T7 is equal to minus 13. T8 minus T7 is equal to T8 plus 13 is equal to 2. Therefore, T8 is equal to minus 11. The numbers are minus 17, minus 15, minus 13 and minus 11. Question 2. Find first 5 terms of sequences whose nth term is given. Number 1. Tn is equal to 4n minus 3. Solution. Put n is equal to 1. Therefore, T1 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 2. Therefore, T2 is equal to 4 into 2 minus 3 is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Put n is equal to 3. Therefore, T3 is equal to 4 into 3 minus 3 is equal to 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Put n is equal to 4. Therefore, T4 is equal to 4 into 4 minus 3 is equal to 16 minus 3 is equal to 13. Put n is equal to 5. Therefore, T5 is equal to 4 into 5 minus 3 is equal to 20 minus 3 is equal to 17. The first 5 numbers are 1, 5, 9, 13 and 17. Number 2. Tn is equal to n square minus 2n. Solution. Put n is equal to 1. Therefore, T1 is equal to 1 square minus 2 into 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Put n is equal to 2. Therefore, T2 is equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2 is equal to 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now put n is equal to 3. Therefore, T3 is equal to 3 square minus 2 into 3 is equal to 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Put n is equal to 4. Therefore, T4 is equal to 4 square minus 2 into 4 is equal to 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Put n is equal to 5. Therefore, T5 is equal to 5 square minus 2 into 5 is equal to 25 minus 10 is equal to 15. The first 5 numbers are minus 1, 0, 3, 8 and 15. Number 3. Tn is equal to 1 upon n plus 1. Solution. Put n is equal to 1. Therefore, T1 is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2. Put n is equal to 2. Therefore, T2 is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 3. Put n is equal to 3. Therefore, T3 is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 4. Put n is equal to 4. Therefore, T4 is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 5. Now, put n is equal to 5. Therefore, T5 is equal to 1 upon 5 plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 6. The first 5 numbers are 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 6. Question 3. Find the first 3 terms of the sequences for which Sn is given. Number 1. Sn is equal to n square into n plus 1. Solution. Sn is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus up to Tn. S1 is equal to T1. S2 is equal to T1 plus T2. S3 is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3. S1 is equal to 1 square into 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is equal to T1. S2 is equal to 2 square into 2 plus 1 is equal to 4 into 3 is equal to 12. S2 is equal to T1 plus T2. Therefore, T2 is equal to 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. S3 is equal to 3 square into 3 plus 1 is equal to 9 into 4 is equal to 36. Therefore, 36 is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3. Therefore, T3 is equal to 36 minus T1 plus T2 is equal to 36 minus 2 plus 10 is equal to 24. The first 3 terms of the sequence are 2, 10, 24.